Habits that change my life to be a better person. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mehak Khabia, a second year student at the IPM batch at IIM Rohtak. And today I'll be sharing you how my life drastically changed while after being coming to college or developing some habits. So before that I was a very lazy person. I mean I do work, but to some extent जब तक काम है तब तक I'll do it, but I'll not do extra work. I'll sleep like for 14-15 hours a day, and I was a very lazy kind of person, and my sleeping schedule was from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. around this much. So how did I change my life to a better person? Let me show you how. Okay, the first habit I developed was reading. I never read a book in my life, in my 18 years of life. But after coming to college, I see people reading books, and they have a habit of reading book. I never saw people around me, continuously reading or something. So I never had that habit of. I tried many times, but it was very boring for me to even read 50 pages, even for a fiction book. So for the first time, I completed a book when I was 18 years old. The first book I read was Zero to One because someone suggested me to do so. So I'll share you the best books I read till now. I have read maybe in like I have developed reading habit in past 1.5 years. So I have read around 20 books, something kind of, yeah. Okay, so the two books that I would suggest you in my 20 book reading collection is Attitude is Everything and You Are a Badass. These two books have helped me develop so much. I mean, the attitude, I think that they're the must read books you should try on. Also, I completed my first book in a month. Like, it took me in month to read around 200 to 250 pages. And also, I take time right now to read book. Like, it has reduced, but I take time to read books because I don't have a daily habit of reading books. I read books thrice a week sometimes whenever I get time. The second habit I developed was, having a proper sleep schedule. It was developed because we have yoga sessions at 5 to 6 a.m. according to the weather. So, and we also have to switch off our lights at 10 p.m., right? So, we have good sleeping schedule. Currently, my sleeping schedule was fixed after coming to college. So, from past 1.5 year, I have a sleeping schedule from around, I sleep at around 11 to 12, and then I wake up around 5 to 6 if we have yoga. If not, then 7 o'clock. So I think that's a major thing. I get too much time in my day, and also I'm very fresh and energetic to in my daily routine because I get proper sleep from 6 to 7 to 8 hours, and also at the proper right time. Also, it is feasible, like it is preferred to wake up more early. But yeah, I am trying. I developed that in the first year, but after it, like it just. The third is exercising. Okay, I never exercised again in my 18 years. I was a very lazy person. I almost whenever I get time, I sleep. So after coming to the college, the habit was developed again in the yoga that we do for 1 hour. So if we have yoga, we do that. If we not have yoga, I made a habit of working out in the room itself. So it really helped me because you are fresh, energetic, the stress is reduced. Also, it helped me to survive in college in the first few months of it because everything was very new to me, and also it keeps you fit. So I think exercise is a must thing to do. The fourth and important thing that I'm still working on is limiting my screen time. I have screen time like around 6 hours, 7 hours right now. If you remove the work time, it is 4 to 5 hours, and work time is different around like on another time. So I'm still trying because I'm endlessly scroll Instagram or WhatsApp, or I'm always active on social media. So I tried it like it just started a few months back that I try to do things like, for example, I switch off my phone for or put my phone off for airplane mode and not touch it for like straight 1 hour or 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Like I started with 20 minutes. Currently I'm in 1.5 hour of doing it, but I think this is the best achievement of my life because I'm a proper phone addict. I just want to sleep and scroll. That's it. And the last thing is being consistent on things. For example, if I start something, I end it up that the good habit that I have developed, because once you end the things you started, you get a confidence from inside, right? So for example, I started a book. I'll, whether it gets very boring, I'll do it. I'll, continuously read it till it ends. Or even comes to a movie or a web series, if it's boring, I do it, because that's a sense of accomplishment on, completing things out. For example, I post consistently on LinkedIn. So that consistent behavior was not at all in me, because that's the only reason I just, like, that's a major reason that I dropped CA, because I was not consistent in doing things. I get bored very easily. So that's also a habit that I've developed. So these are the habits that help me, go from, like, change my routine, attitude, and also help me get success. Like, I would eventually, where I am today, I'll, give credit to all these habits that I have developed since my college started. Also, if you want me to make a video on any topic, you could comment in the comment section. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you. Bye bye.